Turn until it's tight. Is it nice and tight?
It's tight. It's tight.
Alright, good job. Now we'll turn the bike over and put the other one on. Alright, so we're building the LAKERS Lowrider bike. Michael's putting on...
pedals.
Yeah. Turn it till it's really tight.
Wait, what was he chasing?
I don't know. Alright, so you're going to take that off, and then you're going to put on the steering wheel. Okay, take the vice grips off and just take the rest off with your finger. Here. Yeah. The other way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So left means loosen it up. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Don't drop the
Oh, the wheel. Because I'm okay.
Alright, you're gonna put it right back on. Yeah. Alright, so
yep, it's right there.
Hold the bike up. You gotta hold the bike.
I'm holding it tight.
Okay, so put it in there if you can. Turn. Keep turning. When it's tight enough, then you'll use the vice grips. Again.
Oh, that really hurts. I need to use the
vice grips.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see which way it's gonna go. Let's see. All right. So it's gonna go like that, and then tighten it up. Here you go.
Like that.
Tighten it up.
Oh, jeez.
Here, I'll hold the bike and you tighten it up. Now you can use two hands to tighten it.
I can't get it, it's too hard.
You have to hold it straight, just like that. No, straight. And then tighten it up. Here, hold the bike and I'll show you. Here, let it go. Alright, so I'm going to hold the bike and then you're going to hold the steering wheel. Wait, and then you're just going to hold the steering wheel, hold it, and then you're going to tighten it like that. See? Wait a minute, let me get a grip. I can't get a grip. Okay, so I'll hold the bike. Hold the steering wheel with your left hand and tighten it with your right. Wait a minute.
I can't tie it.
You can, hold on. Hold the you have to hold the steering wheel with your left hand and then turn. There you go. There you go. See? Now make it straight. Make the steering wheel straight. See the V? The V has to be straight.
Which V?
Right there. See that V? Make it straight. Turn the steering wheel. Turn it. Turn it up. Right there. Now hold it. Hold it there. Now. There you go. You got it. There you go, Michael. There you go. Put on your first steering wheel, right?
Yeah.
Good job.
Do I have a steering wheel on my bike?
No. Hold the bike for a minute. Hold the handlebar. Alright. So you don't have one on yours because yours takes the Allen key, so I have to figure out something for yours. Here, hold the bike up. Alright.
Because my tires keep on getting flat.
I know. I gotta fix it. Alright, hold the bike. Hold it. So you're just gonna keep turning like that, okay? With your left hand. Your left hand is gonna hold the steering wheel and your right hand will turn it. Okay, go on. Good job. Good job. There you go.
This is tight.
It's all the way on? Looks like it. Okay.
Yep.
So once that dries up, it won't come off. Alright, so...
Okay, can I do this one?
Yeah. Okay. It'll go on.
Let's see if it's gonna go on. Wait, I got Tim on the...
It's okay.
It's fine.
Wipe it off with your finger. Hurry before it gets on the lure. Okay.
This time you can do it because I have this.
Here.
Oh, I saw a little bubble.
Here. Now put it on. There it is. That one.
Oh. Okay, I can do it. It's pretty hard. Is
there no more dish soap?
Here.
You're using.
I need it.
Okay, give me.
Alright, put it on.
This one?
Go on. There you go. Hold it up. Is it on? Okay.
Yep, it's on.
Alright.
Because there are racing, right?
Alright, so tell us about the bike.
This bike is pretty nice. We're gonna give it out to someone, and we're gonna be trying to take some pictures of it.
And,
And
what's the theme?
It's a Los Angeles Lakers Lowrider bike.
That's right. Thank you for helping me build it. We build lowrider bikes. itcosttofloss.com is the website. Give us a call. Tell us your theme. We'll build you a bike.
Colby breaks towards him, trying to find some space, catches in the corner, turns, shoots a three. No good. Arteta rebound.
West Coast, till the early morning. The Lakers bring the trophy home. We got that California purple gold. And them Laker haters, cause we down with the greatest. We gon' party till the early morning. The Lakers bring the trophy home. Ladies and gentlemen, we got Ice Cube in the house tonight. California purple gold. And I go by the name of DJ Valley Bell.
Cleveland or Boston, Cleveland or Boston. Glad we playing Boston. Put they ass in the coffin. Watch Kobe Bryant off them in the finals so often. Always on fire. Keep them choking and coughing off that California purple. That Laker purple in the air. Come on, everybody. Paul Pierce need his wheelchair. Third year still there. This will be the third. My style is like Magic Johnson. Yours is like Larry Bird. Overrated nerd. But this ain't the 80s, man. We got Ron Artest. Don't you know? He's a crazy man. Defense all crazy, man. This ain't no lazy man. All up in your jersey like the ghost of James Worthy. You ain't worthy to hold up that championship trophy. Rolling down Figueroa on the bus with Kobe. Don't ask my ring size, you already know it. I got a drawer full, I might as well throw it. I'm down on the floor, I'm in my suite. It's gonna be sweet to watch the Lakers repeat. I'm down on the floor, I'm in my suite. Yeah, beat LA and get Boston beat. Cleveland or Boston, Cleveland or Boston. Glad we playing Boston. Put they ass in the coffin. Watch Kobe Bryant off them in the finals so often. Always on fire.